Hey, what's up? This is Felicity here for After Effects. In this video, you will learn how to use Saberlight plugin on Portal VFX. So, let's start. Take a look, guys. It's very easy. First, I need to create a new solid, and right here, titles, turn off your solid, and lock your footage. Select the solid and zoom in. Select the pen tool, select the titles, and let's create something like these symbols, like this. There. Select again. Let's create here a symbol. Okay, guys, the tutorial is finished by using solid masking. And now time to select the titles and go to effects, go to video Copilot, select the Saberlight. You can download Saberlight plugin from my Patreon account, and you can find the Patreon account from my video description. And now select the Saberlight, select, go to customize core, select layer mask. And now change the mode by going to select add and zooming. Let's control first the color and change the core size, change the sprite size, hold Ctrl on keyboard and go to view, turn off the layer controls and hold Ctrl on keyboard, make brighter and control the core size. So guys, and now if we need to make animate, go to second one and change start offset to 100 stopwatch and go to second two, make animation and go to second one 15 frames, stopwatch end offset, go to second three, play now. Here it is. So I now turn off the end offset, go to change the start size and change the end size and go to flicker, turn on the flicker, make speed too much speed like this, change the intensity, play now. Here's okay guys, and now time to create another new solid, and right here the ring and go to select ellipse tool, turn off the ring solid, hold hold Ctrl plus Shift on keyboard and create a circle mask right there, move up, sit here, and now select again, turn on, change to add, go to effects, select the Saberlight and change to fire and go to customize core, select the layer mask. So guys, nice work. And now select again the ring, right click, make a pre-compose right here, portal, enter, change to add, select the portal, select the circle, and hold Control, create, and move by using arrow keys like this. Play now. Here is. Double click, select the ring, and change the core size like this. Go back to final. Let's change a little bit more bigger and go to final and play. Nice work. Select the footage, go to effect right curve, double click and make a little bit darker. Okay guys, let's go to 0 and select the portal, change the offset size, stopwatch, go to second 1, play again. Here's make fit and let's render once. So guys, if you need to make shade effect here, create another new solid and change the color to orange right here, shades, and turn off, select the paint tool and make one shades right there. Turn on, zoom in, press MM to make a little bit feather and select again, make one shade right there, make one shades right there. Let's see, right there, and let's create another shades. Nice work. And go to press MMN, select all, mask, hold shift, make little bit feather, and hold shift, press plus on keyboard to mix the shade with footage. Hold shift, let's see another combine. Nice work. Hold Control Shift plus Y to change the color a little bit brighter. Click OK. And now press T, change to 0. Take a look, stopwatch, go to second 1, make 200s. Play now. Good job. And sometimes you can make darker, sometimes you can make brighter, darker, brighter, you can make darker and brighter. Let's play now. So guys, double click, go to portal and go to distortion, glow, You can select the energy, and you can control the sprite like this. You can control this one. You can control the core size. Go back to final. Here you can see now the result right there. Let's render now for final result. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to create portal effects on image, footage, or live action footage video. Have a good time, good luck, all of you.